What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a sponsored video. This is Piggy Bank Machine. This is a clone of BUSDMachine version 2 with a few slight tweaks that may make it a little bit more profitable than BUSDMachine. Also, I want you guys to look in the description. There is a link to a giveaway that I'm doing of the tokens that I am receiving from this sponsorship. And I have a few more things to go over as well. But before we get into that, I want to let you guys know that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just me documenting my road to financial freedom and the bumps and bruises along the way. Please do your own research so that way you can make the best choice for your financial future. A really important news right now. This is not live, not right now. Currently it is February 10th, 2022. This is not live. It's going to go live on the 12th. That's Saturday the 12th at 1 p.m. GMT. That's GMT. So look up on Google to see what time that is for you. And I would say give it at least 10 minutes after that before you start putting your money into it, because you don't want to put your money in it now, because if you do, it will disappear. There's no liquidity on it. It's not active. Please do not put your money in it right now. So also, I'll put a reference code in the description so that way you'll know that it's live if you're watching this particular video. So let's go over a few of the different things, and we'll talk about the giveaway in a few moments. But I want to go over how is this just different and how you may benefit even more than BUSDMachine version 2, I should say. So first, let's just go to the white paper really quick. So it talks about the problems in the space. And again, I'm going to leave a link to the white paper as well so that way you can read it. First, it talks about how the bottlenecks of all these different forks of BUSDMachine were a thing, but they all kind of failed because of this whole 40,000 token bottleneck. They corrected this so that way they can automatically change this within 24 hours if they want to. Like, they can set it to 0 if the bots are trying to jump in there right away, and then a few hours later they will restart it so that way the other investors can sell if they want to, or they can just increase the limit if they want to do that as well. So there's the airdrop exploit where they've corrected that as well, where you can't just create a bunch of different wallets and use yourself as a reference to airdrop to yourself. Then the solutions, they talk about the solutions here. So the solutions with the Piggy Bank Machine, this is one reason why it is different from BUSDMachine version 2 and how it can be a little bit more profitable, is that they will integrate Piggy Bank Machine into more ecosystems and will continue to develop various innovative platforms and therefore be able to apply real utility to piggies. So basically they're taking it one step further, where the machine is no longer just a machine. It's inside of an ecosystem where you can use these piggies for other things as well. Our marketing strategy includes networking with YouTubers, influencers. We will also place advertisements on DApp websites such as DApp Radar, Google, Twitter, and other social channels. And after strengthening our community, we will seek alliances that will be beneficial to all involved. So it talks about the airdrops. So right now, a total of 20,000 piggies will be used for the pre-launch airdrops. Airdrops of 10 piggies for the first 500 people to join our announcements channel. Again, if I can put a link to the description in the description for their announcements channel, I will do that. But please, if you can, come to the website, look at their Telegram, their Twitter, stuff like that, and take screenshots so that way if you are the first 500, one of the first 500, you can get 10 piggies for free. Airdrop of 100 piggies for everyone who makes a YouTube video about our project and provides a screenshot. That's another 100 piggies your way. Incentives for big influencers to promote our project. That's for the total piggies currently. And then the team goals. How is it organized? It's a decentralized. It basically talks about the same things of like how BUSDMachine works, as well as a disclaimer. Please, again, do your own research and invest only money that you are willing to lose. So let's get back to the main page. If you want to read the rest of it, please do so. I don't want to make the video too long. So here's another reason why this may be a little bit more profitable than BUSDMachine version 2. BUSDMachine version 2 They had 2% on mints, 4% on staking. So that's 6% a day that you'll be getting. Piggies, on the other hand, has 4% with minting and 6% with staking. That's 10%. That's a whole 4 extra percent that you're getting with Piggy Bank, and you're getting in early. So if you're getting in early, then you have a better chance at cashing out a lot more tokens once this thing hits $2, $3, $4. You're getting in on the floor price as opposed to getting in after it hits $1 or whatever. So I wanted to be sure to tell you guys about this as quickly as possible. Now let's get into like a small brief tutorial of how it works. I like this a lot too, because in the machine version 2, it didn't really explain it the way I wanted to. Like, I had to ask a lot more questions in Telegram to figure it out. So enter BUSD into the Piggy Bank machine and earn daily staking rewards in Piggy Bank tokens, 4% per day. You claim your Piggy Bank rewards at any time. You cannot unstake your BUSD. You will earn piggies at a percentage of BUSD invested, irrespective of the piggy price. If you invest 100 BUSD, you'll receive 4 tokens per day. So the way this works is you put your $100 or however much you want to put in here. That $100 is quote unquote burned, but what happens is like it goes basically to the liquidity of the project, but you can't get out that investment that you put in. What you're going to be getting out instead is tokens, 4% of tokens based on your initial investment. So $100 goes in, you're going to get 4 tokens out. This thing can reach, let's say it reaches $10, right? $10 per token of piggy price. It doesn't matter if you have $100 in here. That means you're going to get 40 bucks worth of piggy per day if it ever reaches, you know, like $10. So that's what I mean by irregardless. That's what it means by, like, no matter what the price of piggy is, you'll still get your 4% of your initial investment. Now, after that, you can have 2 options with your piggies. You can sell them for BUSD at whatever the price of piggies are, or you can stake them to earn more piggies. That's 6% of piggies, and they're locked for 7 days. So let's say you have 4 tokens coming out of here. Once you get your 4 tokens per day, you can come over here and sell those tokens depending on however much you want to sell them for at whatever the piggy price is. Let's say the piggy price reaches $1. Then the 4 tokens you get from here, you can just sell them for $4 if you want to. Or to get a bigger return on your investment, you can come here and stake them for an additional 6%. So if you ever reach 100 BMT if you ever reach 100 piggies in here, then you'll be getting 6 tokens from this, 4 tokens from this, if you have 100 in each. 6 from here, 4 from here, and you can keep recompounding this into these staked piggies and keep growing this to, let's say, if you get like 20 piggies a day, you can start selling those 20 piggies and taking a profit if you want to. If you want to say, you know what, I want to start all over, or I'm just kind of done with this project, you can unstake your entire amount and sell it all at one time if you want to. That's completely up to you. That's actually one strategy that I have, is that once I'm just kind of done with the project, if I build this up enough to like 500 piggies and the price is like at $5, then I'm going to sell that. I'm going to unstake the entire thing and just sell the whole thing. That would be like, what, $2,500 or something like that coming my way? Like, I would love that off of a $100 investment. So let me do one other thing before we get into the final part of how this benefits you guys. So first, I want you guys to come here. If you're going to get in on this, just put in $1. It doesn't matter if you have money in your wallet or not. Just put in $1, hit approve, and then I want you to approve it and confirm it in your MetaMask. The reason why you're doing this, and you're not gonna spend it, like this is just an approval. The way to spend it is that you would have to type the amount here. So make sure that you have it here instead. You're approving and I've already done this, so I'm going to reject it. You're approving it because if on the day that you choose to invest, if you put in the money here, it's going to say like you need like 0.2 BNB or some or 2.1 BNB or some extremely large gas number. It's an error. Do not pay that. It's basically saying that you haven't approved this amount yet. So make sure that you come in and approve the amount first, and then be able to then you'll be able to use it with minimum gas fee. And I only do $1. I don't do like 200 or anything like that. $1 is fine. You don't have to do a lot. So another cool thing is that they will be listed and audited by Hayes Crypto as soon as they finish the audit. So that's pretty dope that they actually are going to get audited and make sure that everything is pretty much up to standard. As far as Hayes Crypto goes, I'm not necessarily sure how strong of an audit that is, but if it is good, then great. Like, you guys can let me know in the description below. You guys can let me know in the comments if you feel like this makes it a little bit more trustworthy. I would really love to know that. All right, now, so let's talk about the referral system. So the referral system is also different. It gives you 4% for each level 1, 2% for each level 2, and 1% for each level 3. The difference here is that BUSDMachine version 2 gives you 3% for level 1 and the same amount for everything else. So that's even increased a little bit. Is in the referral, when I put my referral link, this is how I'm going to also give back, because I want to help my friend, but I also don't want to feel like I'm just like taking from you guys because I want to do this donation. I'm going to donate the first $100 to my friend, so that way she doesn't have to input any of her money. All she has to do is just keep up with the wallet and benefit that way, because I really want to help her out. The next $100 after that will be going to you guys as a giveaway. Either I can do one or two things. I can either go find a NFT on Avalanche or on the or the Binance Smart Chain, and I can buy that NFT for $100, right? Like, if I can find one for $100, I can buy that NFT and I can send it to one of you guys. Or I can just give you 100 BUSD dollars. It's completely up to you and what you want. After that, if I get another 100, I will personally take that 100 and put it in my own piggy bank. If I get another 100, it's going to go towards my friend again. If I get another 100 after that, it's going to go to you guys, and so forth and so on. I'm going to keep doing this no matter how many referrals I get. Because I want to find a way to give back. Like figuring out to give to her has inspired me to also give to you guys, but also give to people in need. This is the best way for me to do that, as opposed to just like getting a bunch of money and just like joining a bunch of projects without necessarily helping others. I love to help people. And if this is the only way that I can do that, then I will do that. So from there, that's pretty much it. Again, do not join this until Saturday, 1 p.m. GMT. Is this something that you guys want to get into? Are you thinking about it? Are you on the fence? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. I want to know your opinions as well. So for now, until all are free, I hope you guys take care and peace out.